Hi, everybody, and welcome to Chelsea Grottenbank's Facebook video. Today, we are going to be learning a little bit about investing, and we're going to be looking at another game by Next Gen Personal Finance that's called Stax. My name is Miria Gray. I'm the community education here at Chelsea Grottenbank, and let's just jump right in. I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can look at this game. So this is Build Your Stax, and it's presented by Next Gen Personal Finance, which is a nonprofit that does personal finance for high school aged students. This is going to teach us about different types of investing, and it will let us build 20 years of wealth in about 20 minutes. So you can play in a group or you can play alone. This is great for classrooms. So if you wanted to host a group discussion on Zoom and play in a group, or students can play alone. So we're going to play alone today. So we're in year 1 of 20. We have 20 years to make some money. The bar will go down over the course of 1 year. Our pocket cash as we start is $4,000. In every 6 months, your pocket cash will refill with the money that you can invest. There are 7 different investment opportunities you can unlock throughout the game. Individual stocks is this one. When an investment is unlocked, it will open a lesson and explain on how it works. And then if you need a refresher on any type of investment, you can click the question mark icon on the investment and it will walk you back through what that is. Anytime you see this symbol, you can click it to toggle and see the balance or any profit that you've made. And you can view your portfolio in the sidebar and check the leaderboard to see who's winning. So again, this is great for classrooms because you can set people up and allow them to compete against each other. So here we go. So here's our savings account, which is our first investment type. Instead of hoarding your money in your pocket, put it in a savings account with a low interest rate. So this is talking us through what is a savings account. You won't make a ton of money, but you won't lose money. It's not like it's making money in your pocket anyways. It's a great way to build up an emergency fund. And if you don't know what an emergency fund is, they can click on this to find out, which is money set aside for unanticipated expenses or loss of income, for surprise situations that might pop up in real life and in this game, like medical bills or car repairs. So once you've got it, you can get it, or if you need to go back and read it again, you can. So here's our savings account, right? So our balance is currently 0. We have $4,000 here in our pocket cash. So we're going to deposit some money. We're going to deposit $3,500 into our savings account so that we're left with $500 in pocket cash in case of emergency, okay? So now our overall net worth is $8,000, okay? So it's building. So we also now again have $4,500. So we're gonna make another deposit of $4,000 into our savings account. So when we're back to $500. Oop, our call got dropped, not because of your wireless carrier, but because of our own clumsiness. You dropped your phone and screen and it looks like a mosaic. Time to upgrade. So we have $500 in pocket cash. So we're going to pay with our pocket cash so we don't have to take any money out of our savings. Okay? All right. Now, again, we have $4,200 in pocket cash. 2 new investment opportunities. So we're going to learn about a certificate of deposit, a CD, buy a savings certificate with a fixed interest rate for a fixed period of time. And while you're learning about these different investment opportunities, you can see over here that the game has been paused. So our earnings have stopped, so it's not constantly building, and we can learn about these things. The catch So it's a fixed period of time. Usually these rates are a little bit higher than what your savings account would offer. But if you withdraw your money before the time's up, you'll be charged a penalty. So make sure it's money that you won't need for a little while. How long will your money be tied up? Well, anywhere from 3 months to 5 years. It's kind of up to you. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. But it also means that your money is locked up a little bit longer, and at the end, you can collect the full amount. To buy a CD, click Buy, select one, and deposit your desired amount. Okay, we've got it. All right, so now we have pocket cash of $4,420. We have $7,000 in our savings account. So let's buy a CD. What are we going to put in it? We have now $8,540. So let's put $4,000 into a CD. Okay. So we're already earning. Okay. So now we have our savings account plus the CD. So we have another $4,500 over here. So let's lock it up a little bit longer. So there we go. Okay, so now we've got a couple of CDs. We have another investment opportunity we can look at. Let's unlock it. An index fund. Are we new to the stock market? So we can find out a little bit about what a stock market is. A well-diversified index fund is a great place to start. Instead of buying and selling individual stocks, it's a mutual fund, which is a collection of stocks and or bonds combined into one fund, which will be traded as a unit, typically chosen and actively managed by an expert in the exchange for a fee from each investor. And that includes companies from all across the stock market. Because there are so many moving pieces, if one stock crashes, the rest of them might not, so you won't lose as much money. It's great for long-term investments like retirement, and it's a set it and forget it kind of option. The computer player always invests in the index fund. Keep an eye on the leaderboard and see if you can beat the market. All right, have we got it? We've got it. All right, so here's our index fund. We've got 4,700. Oh no, our deepest sympathy. Your beloved auntie has passed, and the responsibility of the funeral has fallen upon you. Who knew they could be so expensive? So we only have, we do have enough in our pocket cash. I'm looking, we have $9,000. So let's pay with our pocket cash. So now we're down to $2,027 in our pocket cash. So this is why it's important not to invest everything that you have, so you don't have to pull your money out of investments to be able to pay for pocket items, just like the real world. So here's our index fund. Oh, we have a new investment opportunity, but let's do something with our index fund. So let us put $4,000 in there. We'll buy it. And then a new investment opportunity. Whoops. Individual stocks. Now that you've gotten your feet wet, try your hand at trading shares yourself. You can become a part owner of a company by buying a share, which is a tiny sliver of their business. When the company does well, the value of your shares goes up, and when it suffers, so do you. So choose wisely. It's all about buying and selling your shares at the right time. Try buying low and selling high to make a profit. This is what the stock card looks like. The current price, details of whether it's going up or down, the balance that you've got, the performance to date, how many shares you have, and then it's sell or buy. Have we got it? Yes. Okay, ding dong, wedding bells are ringing. Ah, sweet love. A big commitment like this demands a big ceremony, and that'll cost a pretty penny. $7,000. Okay, we don't have $7,000. We only have $6,769. So we're going to have to find funds. So our savings account has $8,000 in it. We don't have enough in pocket cash. We can withdraw some money from savings. So in order to make it, let's only withdraw $500. Oops. 500. $500. We can withdraw it. That gives us enough in our pocket cash so we can then pay with pocket cash, okay? All right, so here's our individual stocks. We can pick one that's currently up right now. You can click whether you want to buy the maximum amount or if you want to buy the minimum. So we're going to buy the maximum of some that might be up right now. This one seems to be doing pretty well also. But then you need to keep an eye on these because some of them are doing well and some of them aren't. Oops. So you're going to want to buy when they're low so that you're not paying top price for when they're expensive, okay? So this will go on and it will teach all kinds of different investment opportunities, and they can just go through and add things. So maybe we want to redeposit some money into our savings account because we took some out. So maybe we want to put some back in. And then maybe we want to buy another CD because why not? Right? Oh no, our cat has gone viral. That dumb video of your cat fighting with the reflection, the internet loves it. You're gaining followers by the second and advertisers are knocking on our door. We made $500. So as you can see, this is a really fun game. It's interactive and it teaches a lot of information about investing. So we hope you'll enjoy this activity and you can find it at buildyourstax.com. Have a great day and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.